How can I set up USPS mail forwarding service for my mail?
Hello, and welcome to our video. Today we're going to guide you through the process of setting up a USPS mail forwarding service. This is extremely useful when you're moving to a new address or if you're going to be away from your home for an extended period. By the end of this video, you will be able to seamlessly forward your mail wherever you need it.
What is USPS mail forwarding?
USPS Mail Forwarding is a service provided by the United States Postal Service that enables you to have your mail forwarded from your old address to a new one. This can be a temporary or a permanent solution, depending on your needs.
How to start the USPS mail forwarding process?
Setting up mail forwarding with USPS is a straightforward process. You can do it online or in person at any USPS post office. 1. Online. 2. Visit the official USPS website. 3. Locate the Change My Address option. 4. Follow the instructions and fill out the form with the necessary information. You will need your new address, old address, and the date you want the mail forwarding to start. 5. In person. 6. Visit your nearest USPS post office. 7. Ask for a mover's guide packet. 8. Fill out PS Form 3575 included in the packet and give it to a postal worker or drop it into the letter mail slot inside the post office. Remember, there is a small fee to change your address online, but it's free if you do it at your local post office.
What happens next?
Once you've submitted your mail forwarding request, USPS will send you a move validation letter to your old address to confirm the change. If you've already moved, USPS will send a welcome kit to your new address. Please note that USPS will forward your first-class mail and priority mail to your new address for 12 months, and magazines and newspapers for 60 days. Be sure to inform your correspondents of your new address. And that's how you set up USPS mail forwarding. It's a simple and convenient service that ensures you never miss important mail when you move or are away from home. We hope this guide was helpful and wish you the best with your move. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this one. Safe moving!